Hi guys, in the last video we are talking about the concept of acid and bases. So in this video we are talking about salts, the definition and explanation, the types and the properties or characteristics of salts. So after this we are continue our topic salts after acids, bases and the theories. After this, pH and pOH and then salts. Salts are the ionic compounds. They are ionic compounds formed by, so how they are formed? By neutralization of an acid with base. So these are the ionic compounds. So how salts are formed? By the neutralization of acid with base. This is called salt. So in this way salts are formed. The salt gets its name from the names of metals and the acid. Salts are made up by positive and negative ions. Salts explanation formed by positive and negative ions. So they are called anions and cations. Check out the spelling of anions. So when acid is derived from when anion is derived from acid, it is called acid radical. A cation is metallic derived from a base. Then we are talking about characteristics. So when we are talking about salts, what are the general characteristics? First of all, very important, crystalline form crystalline form. And then we are talking about melting and boiling points and boiling points. So what's about salt? They have high melting and boiling points. High melting and boiling points. Water of crystallization. Most of salts contain water of crystallization, which is responsible for the shape of crystal. Number of molecules of water are specific for each other, written as chemical formula. So these are the examples we are discussing here as calcium sulfate and copper sulfate also. They have formula 2H2O and copper as Cu, SO4 as a sulfate with 5 molecules of water. Is salts are neutral compounds? Salts are neutral compounds. They do not have equal number of positive and negative ions, but they have equal number of positive and negative charges. So after this we are able to set that salts are neutral compounds. How soluble salts are prepared? Very important question. Salts may be water soluble or insoluble. Mostly prepared from salt from the bases based their solubility in water. So there are also some general methods for the preparation of salts. Hope in the next video we are talking regarding how the general methods of preparation of salts, uh, different types of salts, different types, what type of salts we have, and how we are able to classify them. So normal salts, very first. If you really like this video, hit the subscribe button and continue watching this video last till the last word. Then acidic and basic salts. Because out of time, short time, I am written both in one line, so they are different, acidic and basic. Then double and mixed salt, they are also different. Double salts and mixed salts. At the end, complex salts. Hope so in the next video we are talking about the preparation, and it's a very important topic. Then discussing we will discussing all the important reactions regarding their preparation. So keep supporting us. So meetup will arrange in the next video. Thank you so much.